Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make salt-free Mrs. Dash. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining. If this is your first time being with us, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also go down and hit that description box where you can not only get the recipe for this video, but also a ton of groovy links. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make salt-free Mrs. Dash. Let's go down here and check out what our ingredients are for it. We're going to start out with 3 tablespoons of garlic, 1 tablespoon of dried basil, 1 tablespoon of dried marjoram, 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, 1 tablespoon of dried savory, 1 tablespoon of onion, 1 tablespoon of dried sage, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of orange peel. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, make sure you've got a big enough bowl for all this. This is going to make about a cup. So you want to make sure you got a bowl big enough for a cup. We'll go ahead and start adding our ingredients. I've got the garlic. Now I am using some dehydrated garlic, and the same with the onions. I'm using the dehydrated and not powder or granulated because I like the bigger chunks of the garlic and onion in there. So if you're doing this with anything that you are doing on the grill, and you're going to have it kissed with flames, that's going to crackle and pop and explode all over to have a nice addition to the flavoring that you're doing onto whatever you're cooking, chicken, beef, pork, whatever. And also if you're using it as a seasoning while you're cooking, it will just enhance it a lot more than a powder or a granulated seasoning would do. The rest of these are all dried, so we're just adding them in one by one. Doesn't matter whatever order you want to do it in. There's our onion right there. Then you're just gonna mix this all up really well. You can put it in a mortar pestle, grind it up a little bit to crack open all these fine granules to release a little bit more flavor. Your herbs are fine, but your aromatics in there, like the onion and the garlic, if you want to, crack them open a little bit to release some of that flavor, you're more than welcome to do that. But this stores really well. That is mixed up really nice there. Let's go do some photo shoots here, add some music, and then we'll come back and talk more about this. Alright, here we go with our Mrs. Dash. Just point out this is a copycat recipe, but this is a wonderful seasoning for beef, chicken, fish, stews and soups. I would highly recommend that if you're going to use it with the way I did it with the onion and the garlic in there, use the dehydrated onion and dehydrated garlic, and then when you're cooking, use some sort of oil or a fire or something to where you're going to optimize that flavor by releasing the flavor of it with the fire from the grill or on a flat top or in a pan with a little bit of oil or butter, and just let it rehydrate a little bit with that oil while it's cooking, and that flavor will just explode into whatever you're making. So here we go, Mrs. Dash, copycat, and it is salt-free. I want to add that as well. You did not see salt in the recipe, so it's a salt-free herb blend, perfect for anything you're going to do with it. Alright, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give me a comment down below, let me know what you think. Go ahead and like this video, and then share this video with everybody you know. Take care of yourselves, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.